Back tap is one of the most loved features. What makes it so impressive is the ability to let you activate your favorite features by just double tapping or triple tapping on the back of your iPhone. But do you know that you can also lock your iPhone by using the back tap feature? That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started faster, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone. Now you have to choose the accessibility option, and then you have to choose the touch option that is located under the physical and motor section. And after that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the back tap option, and then you have to select the double tap option, and finally choose the lock screen option, and you are all set. Going forward, you can quickly activate the lock screen on your iPhone by just double tapping on the back of the device. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.